Hello guys, welcome to Sense Chatting. So today we'll see what happened in November 6th market analysis on both the indices, which is Bank Nifty and Nifty 50. So coming to the analysis part, so as you all can see on the screen, Bank Nifty chart is there, and in that you can easily see that we can see a continuous pattern that is going on from the past 4 days, where the market is trying to open up open a gap up, which is happening in pre-market and after-market sessions. And as soon as it opens, because of the buying pressure, it is opening gap up, and it is the buyers are trying to take the market upwards, and then again sellers coming in and they're trying to fill the gap that was opened in the pre-market session. And once it reaches the previous day's high, again the buyers are pitching in and moving the market towards the opening position. So this same trend is going on from the past 4 days. And but one difference I have noticed in Bank Nifty is that, as you all know, that whenever a market is going down or going up, a certain condition it should follow, such as if it is going up, it will create a pattern of forming a higher highs and higher lows, and if it is going down, it will form a pattern of lower lows and lower highs. So what is that is, so let's say the market now it is going down, so it usually forms a lower lows and lower highs. So let's say the market has these up, all these are highs and all the down ones are the low ones. So each one will be compared with the previous one, and based on that the market will continue its trend. And if it is not happening, then we can assume that it is a trend reversal. So now what I observed in the Bank Nifty is that, so it formed a low high. Let's say consider this high and low, and after forming this high and low, it started forming this lower lows and lower highs, as indicating that it is a down move. But post that, it failed to form a fresh new low at this particular point. So from here it has formed low, and then again lower high, and again lower low and lower high. Compared to this high is lower, and compared to this low is lower. So we indicated that it is a downtrend. But after forming a lower high, it should form a lower low, which is it the market should have moved somewhere here, or it should continue the downward movement. But rather than moving down, the buyers came in the pre-market sessions, and they reversed this particular trend what is happening. So as but I cannot still say that it is completely moving upwards, because the major level of 43,800 and 44,000 needs to be taken out, so the market is completely reversed and moving in upward direction. But that level is not yet taken out, so we'll have to wait and watch what is happening in Bank Nifty. So coming to Nifty 50, so over here we can see similar structure that I explained over here, formed in Nifty 50 as well. So you guys can see high and a low, and this high is compared with the next high, so that is called lower high, and this low is compared with the next one, which is a lower low. When it formed this lower high, it continued it for a day, it continued that particular moment, and then it started reversing. That means a buying pressure came in, and this previous lower high was taken out and formed a higher high. So if you, in order to follow this trend, it should have formed a lower low and lower highs and lower lows and lower highs to continue that particular trend. But instead, a higher high is formed when compared to this previous high. So that is where we can see a slight trend reversal, and we'll have to see and wait and see if it continues this particular trend and moves further. So coming to shorter time frames in Bank Nifty and Nifty, we'll see and analyze what happened. So as soon as market opened, so as I told you guys in the previous one day time frame session when I'm explaining, so that one. gap up has opened around here, around 350 points or 320 points gap up that happened compared to the previous day session. And as soon as the gap happened, people who purchased over here at the bottom, they started booking their profits, and it started coming down. And also adding on sellers, they started to move the market down and try to fill this particular gap that has opened. So it is kind of forming a double top, and it gave a breakout of this particular and start fill the gap of by moving and reaching to yesterday's high point. And from there the buyers came in, and again they took the market towards up and closed at the same point of where it has opened. So this is what happened in bank nifty. So coming to nifty 50, yeah, this is where the move happened. Again the market went towards the opening point and closed, gave a closing near to that opening point. Yeah, exactly at the opening point. So this is the trend that I'm talking about. Market is opening a gap up, and after opening gap up it is trying to move down and clearing that gap whatever it has opened, and again buyers are pitching in and then taking the market towards the opening point. Coming to nifty 50, so it opened gap up, but in nifty 50 today we did not see a gap cover that happened, just like bank nifty. But living around 40-45 points in bank nifty 50, so this nifty 50 has started moving in upward direction and moved towards 19,300 level. Yeah, 19,300 level it took support, and from there it started moving to 19,400. This is a proper hammer that has formed. And here see the buying pressure, how nice bullish Marubujo candle it has formed. And oh, from there it has taken support. Usually this indicates a false breakout. This should have been in a false breakout, and then the market went to clear the gap, but it gives a new I mean a good buyer support with the following green candle. And this low is not broken out, if you can clearly observe. And since then it reached this 43,000 sorry 19,400 level in the market. So far this is what happened in the today's session. And thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to sense chatting. Thank you.